welcome back. So because, you know, pizza is only as good as the sauce, right? I mean, you can make great dough, but if the sauce sucks, your pizza's gonna suck too. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my go-to sauce, and not only how to make it, but how you can batch it and have it ready for weeks on end if you decide to go on a pizza making binge. So what I start with is I use Full Red, Stanislaus, and 7-Eleven tomato mat or ground tomatoes. I've already opened one of the cans because I don't want to make you have to sit through watching me open two of them. Highly recommend that you get one of these can openers like this. It'll get rid of your sharp edges and it'll make it a lot easier to open the can. Also, wear red or wear something that you don't mind getting dirty because you are going to splash sauce as you do this. The great part about this is that we're going to make a whole bunch of batches of this that you can freeze, and then whatever you feel like making that time, you can add whatever ingredients you want and customize the sauce each time you make it. All right, so this is your Full Red. This is just kind of a thick sauce. The texture of these are great. This is your ground tomatoes. It adds a little bit of texture to your sauce. You can see I'm splashing already. You're going to want to get a large container. This is a 6-quart here. And then you're going to want to have a whisk because you want to mix these two together and get the texture all mixed up. All right, sauce everywhere. Love it. Once you get everything mixed up, you just get a bunch of containers. Normally I'll go with about 2 or 3 scoops in each container. It'll cost you about $30 to buy these 2 cans, but you'll get 9 or 10 batches out of it that'll make 3 or 4 pizzas. So still a lot cheaper than takeout. And that's all there is to it. And then you can freeze this for several months. Each time you thaw it out, you can add whatever ingredients you want to make it your own.